Hello everyone, in today's experiment I'm gonna show you how to make a small electric pile at home. I have here a solution of half water mixed with sodium bicarbonate. If I zoom in, you'll see up around here, and from this point to the top I have some hand sanitizer. Something like that. You can see the difference in density around here. So I made two holes, one for each electrode. I used copper electrodes. This one goes all the way down to the bottom here, and the other one is only in the hand sanitizer solution. So let's see what voltage this thing has. I have here my multimeter. Let me turn it on. So let's connect the cables and see what we get. So we get around 0.11 volts. It's currently 2 AM in the morning. So let's see if this voltage output decreases over time. So after 10 hours, let's see what the voltage output is. So we're getting around 0.10 volts. So I left the solution in the freezer for an hour to cool down, and let's see if the voltage output has changed. Let me get my wires here. Okay. So we see that we have now 0.08 volts with 0.02 less than before. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you next time.